Hi everybody, today we are unboxing these gnomes from Costco. We got them a couple of days ago and they cost us $50. So they are really cute looking. They are super soft as well. My kid has been playing with them a lot and they look that they are not going to break easily. So we really like that. So this is how they are. They come in 3 different sizes and they wiggle, which is amazing. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me. Later on, we will give you a full review and see if they last or if they break easily. So that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.